Hey everybody, this is Florida Trailblazer exploring in Osceola National Forest, and I'm heading down this old path. It's overgrown and flooded. I'm trying to make my way through it for the search of history, looking for an old sawmill that may have been back here long ago. And this forest has a history of turpentine operations and logging. So I'm investigating around this area, see if we can discover anything. I figured this road had to be here for a reason. And it's just also fun to go off the beaten path.